Attention, the president of Kiribati is transmitting this global emergency alert. Apparently, a meteorite has fallen on the Hawaiian coast. The piece of rock was as large as the size of 10 statues of Liberty, Indiana, the United States. After hitting the sea, the meteorite pushed water into its surroundings. At this moment, every non-evacuated person must say goodbye, apologize, pray, and give thanks for being born on this planet. Before the meteorite hit Kiribati there had 128.800. But when the president declared a state of emergency, there were less than 1,000 people in the entire territory of Kiribati. Everything Kiribati will be destroyed and under Pacific waters. Emergency, emergency. 4 minutes left, emergency, emergency. 4 minutes left.